Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hi, and if you're my returning subscribers, welcome back. I have another great video for you guys today. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make clove and hibiscus oil for faster hair growth. So the item we are going to be needing is going to be clove, hibiscus, and any oil of your choice. So you can use any oil you feel your hair loves, such as rosemary oil, Jamaican castor oil, avocado oil, olive oil, coconut oil, any oil you feel it's best for your hair. So when it comes to measurement, I guess you just go by the amount you want depending on the length of your hair or the amount of oil you need. So I already measured my clove and I'm also using this much of hibiscus. So I went ahead and blended my clove and hibiscus together. After blending the clove and hibiscus together, I'm going to go ahead and add it to the pot. Then I'm going to add my olive oil. As I said, you can use any oil of your choice. After mixing everything together, including the oil, this is how it should look like, okay? This is how it looks like. So I took it to the stove. I'm going to be doing the double boiling method. So it depends on the amount of oil you need. You can add more or less, but this is fine for me as I have all the oil that I still need to finish. So I'm going to allow it to boil for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I'm going to allow it to cool down for 1 hour. Remember, the cooling down process is still going to be boiling, if you know what I mean, because the pot is still hot. So yes, so I'm going to allow it to cool down for 1 hour. So let me go ahead and explain the benefits of clove. You guys already know, if you've been to this channel, clove is one of my favorite ingredient to use. Cloves stimulate hair growth. It's amazing for dandruff. It prevents premature graying. It reduces hair fall. It add moisture and shine to your hair. It make your scalp healthy. Using clove oil promotes hair growth as it naturally condition your hair. As well as this, it boosts blood circulation to your scalp, which result in hair growth. Not only that, clove is also great for health benefit. So you can also drink clove as a health benefit. As you guys know, clove is a spice, and I believe people also use clove for skincare as well. So this is how amazing this clove is. I literally use it for everything. I'm doing a research how you can incorporate clove with your skincare. Trust me, once I find that out, you know I'm going to bring it to this channel. So let me go ahead and explain the benefits of hibiscus. Hibiscus strengthening your hair root. Hibiscus thicken your hair and add volume to your hair. It stops hair loss. It makes your hair looks healthy and shiny. It prevents dandruff. It also boosts hair growth even in bald patches. Hibiscus is also amazing for health benefit. I'm not exactly sure what it does to health because I didn't actually research it when it comes to health. The main purpose here is for our hair, but I do remember my parents used to drink hibiscus as well, and I believe it's for health reason. If I'm not mistaken, do not quote me on this. If I'm not mistaken, I think it's great for high blood pressure. Okay, I think they use it for high blood pressure as well. That's how amazing hibiscus is. Just imagine, if it's great for high blood pressure, trust me, it's going to be amazing for your hair, especially those that struggle with thin hair, right? If you use hibiscus and clove together, it would thicken your hair. So after 1 hour of cooling down, this is how it looks like, guys. This smells amazing. My kitchen smells amazing. I'm literally hungry. I feel like eating this because it smells divine. Seriously, it smells amazing. I think it's the mixture of clove and hibiscus. It smells amazing. I think I'm going to actually boil hibiscus for myself and just drink it later on today. So I'm going to go ahead and strain it. You can use anything to strain it, just to separate the oil from the hibiscus and clove. So for me, I'm going to be using my wig cap. So this is how it looks like after straining it. You can add essential oil such as peppermint oil, but I'm not going to add any because I've run out of my essential oil. But if you have any, you can go ahead and add them. Can you see how thick and rich this clove and hibiscus oil is? You can tell it's going to be effective when applied correctly onto your scalp. You just need to be patient and trust the process. So now I'm going to go ahead and transfer the oil to my application bottle. So the hair is fully washed and detangled. So I'm just going to section the hair so that I can apply my oil to the scalp. So before using this oil, make sure you shake the bottle very well because the clove and hibiscus settle at the bottom. So you definitely need to shake it before applying it to your scalp. Hibiscus is really good at growing bald spots. So all the recipe that I'm sharing with you guys is what I use on a daily basis on my hair as well as my kids' hair, and I'm seeing amazing results. So if you're patient and consistent, you will definitely see results as well. Also, don't forget to apply it to your edges. Also guys, don't forget to massage the scalp for blood circulation, okay? This is a very important step you don't want to miss, okay?
City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets.
So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate every single one of you guys. Thank you so much for my new subscribers. I really do appreciate you guys. And I will see you guys in my next video. Until next time, guys, take care. Bye.
Life when it's complex, I found love when it's center. If I could live here forever.